Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add or remove currencies on your Ledger Nano S Plus. To add currencies, you can see I have Bitcoin, Ethereum and Solana. If you want to add them, you'll need to use Ledger Live app that you can either use on an Android phone or on your PC. So go to My Ledger once the ledger is connected with USB to your device, then select it. And now if you want to get any type of currency here, also called an app on Ledger, you can see they have different sizes. Like for example, the Litecoin will have 39 kilobits. If I click on plus, it will start installing, and if I slide out, I'll see how much space I have available left. So that's also pretty important. I'm gonna close that now, and now I have 4 different currencies, and I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.